My name is Francesca Vidali, and I'm in charge of marketing and communication here at ReiThera. After last year's success in Rome, we will be back at ESGCT this year, and we will have a booth, not as big as the one we had last year, but we are ready to be there and come and join us. Booth 825. Everyone can reach us on the app of ESGCT, but one advice that I have for everyone is to follow us on LinkedIn. ESGCT is always a big opportunity for ReiThera. We will be there with 10 people from our company, so all different experts in different fields. And for us, ESGCT is not just an occasion to learn more, but it's also a chance to be more there with the people and to talk about innovation and to be present as ReiThera in a room full of people who understand perfectly what we're talking about.